stretch out their arms to connect the world with nature's charms. We travel far across land and sea to build the human race in